In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover effects to elements using the Wix Studio Editor. Whether you're looking to give your website a little more flair or simply want to guide the viewer's attention, understanding how to implement hover effects can truly level up your website design. Let's get started by opening the Wix Studio Editor in your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll bring your website design ideas to life. If you've never used Wix Studio before, you'll find it's a powerful and intuitive tool that simplifies the web design process even for beginners. Once you have your Wix Studio editor open, it's time to select the element you wish to animate. This could be anything on your web page that you feel could use a bit of movement or emphasis when a user hovers over it with their mouse. It might be a button, an image, or even text depending on the effect you're aiming to create. Choosing the right element is key, as the right animation can enhance user experience and engagement. Next, look for the Interactions tab, which is located in the toolbar. Interactions are a fun and dynamic way to add life to your website, and in this case, we're focusing on hover effects. Once inside the Interactions tab, you'll want to click on Add Hover Effect. At this point, you're opening up a range of possibilities for how you can creatively animate your chosen element. Now comes the fun part, choosing your effect. Wix offers several preset hover effects like zoom, color changes, and shadows. Consider what will best complement your site's aesthetic and serve the user experience. Opt for a zoom effect if you want something subtle and modern, a color change to draw more attention, or a shadow to give a bit of depth. Whichever you choose, the aim is to create visual interest without overwhelming the viewer. After selecting your desired effect, you'll need to adjust the animation settings. This includes modifying aspects such as duration and easing to tailor the animation to fit seamlessly with your design. Duration will dictate how long the animation takes from start to finish, while easing affects how the animation accelerates and decelerates. These fine-tuning options allow you to ensure that your hover effects feel polished and professional. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, make sure to save your work. Saving is important not just as a precaution, but to ensure all your changes go live seamlessly. Finally, take a minute to preview your hover effect in action. This is where you can see how all of your adjustments come together in real time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively add engaging hover effects to elements in the Wix Studio Editor. With practice, you'll find this can become a powerful tool in your web design arsenal to captivate your visitors and bring your creative vision to life. Happy designing!